Today we are reviewing Keurig K-Mini Plus Coffee Maker, Single Serve K-Cup Pod, Coffee Brewer, 6 to 12 ounce, brew size, stores up to 9 K-Cup pods. This Keurig K-Mini Plus Single Serve Coffee Maker combines sleek design with space-saving convenience in a portable, stylish package that delivers fresh brewed delicious coffee from your favorite K-Cup pods within minutes of setting the machine up. With the Keurig K-Mini Plus single-serve coffee maker, you'll be able to brew 1 cup at a time, resulting in ultimate convenience. In addition, the compact design of Keurig K-Mini Plus allows it to take less space on your kitchen counter due to its smaller size of less than 5 inches. It is perfect for university dorms, offices, and other living spaces where there is a lack of counter space or where brewing fresh coffee is difficult. There are 5 different cup sizes between 6 and 8 ounce, 6 and 12 ounces that allows you to enjoy rich, delicious coffee at the strength you prefer with just a little fresh water for each brew. It features a removable drip tray designed to fit a variety of travel mugs up to 7 inches tall and maintains a neat, tidy counter with the cord storage. This was review for Keurig K-Mini Plus Coffee Maker.